In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect your printer to a wireless network. You may need to do that if you change your internet service provider, or if you purchase a router, or even if you are encountering network issues. This will be done on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series, which is also applicable to the HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 printer series. So let's head over to the control panel. You can see from the wireless LED that it is currently connected to a network. In order to connect to a new network, we'll suggest the following: to do a wireless reset, and then using the wireless setup wizard to detect and connect to the new network. So let's do a wireless reset, or restore wireless to defaults. Go to menu. Scroll until you see settings. Select network. Scroll until you see restore network settings. Do a restore. Select yes. The network defaults have been restored. Next, select Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. This will search for the new network or your home network. It has found some networks. Select the one that you want to connect to. Let's select Technology Tips 5 GHz. Go to Next. Key in the Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, select Submit. Select OK. The connection is successful. Select OK. Go to Home. So this is how you set up and connect your printer to a wireless network.